Welcome to InProLearn, a gamified course designed to enhance your English proficiency. In this unit, we'll explore the vital skill of listening for detailed understanding. Let's get started. Listening for detailed understanding is a crucial skill in both academic and professional settings. This involves comprehending and retaining complex information delivered orally, which is essential for success in many areas of life. Let's define what it means to listen for detailed understanding. This skill requires paying close attention to the finer points and intricate details of spoken communication. It demands a heightened level of focus and the ability to process large amounts of information quickly and accurately. The significance of listening for detailed understanding cannot be overstated. It enables individuals to follow complex instructions, participate in technical discussions, and succeed in environments where precision and thorough comprehension are critical. In academic settings, students need to understand detailed explanations, theories, and arguments presented in lectures and seminars. Grasping these details is essential for academic success and deeper learning. In professional environments, employees must comprehend detailed instructions, procedures, and technical specifications. This understanding is crucial for effective job performance and avoiding costly errors. To recap, listening for detailed understanding involves paying close attention to finer points and intricate details, processing large amounts of information quickly and accurately, following complex instructions, participating in technical discussions, succeeding in academic and professional environments. Thank you for joining us in Unit 3. Practice these techniques to enhance your listening skills and ensure comprehensive understanding in any context. Stay tuned for more units and continue your journey to English proficiency with InProLearn. Happy learning!